Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be softening my natural hair with coconut oil. It's you could also say moisturizing, but since coconut oil doesn't contain any water, I don't really I wouldn't say like really moisturizing. But yeah, anyways, I'm just doing this because I want to soften my hair. My hair is blown out right now, and to keep it from being dry without actual water and reverting back, the coconut oil does it for me. I don't know why I haven't been really seeing people talk about using coconut oil in their hair recently. Like, I know some people be like, that coconut oil makes their hair dry, but for me and my daughter, this is really softening, and I don't know, it works so good. I usually use it as a pre-poo, but yeah, I use it today because it really works good for me. Like, literally, I can get through my hair with this. And I didn't use any tools. I didn't want to brush my hair or anything. I just wanted to retwist my hair so it doesn't get tangly, because it was in twist already, but I took it out to make even smaller twists and make it a little bit more neat. So I just put the coconut oil in my hair, and I also used the Mielle oil. You can see like the front of my hair, like the roots, a little bit in some areas are not that straightened. It has a little bounce to it, so that means all the texture it's not really out. It's just dry basically, but it's fine. That's why I'm twisting my hair. This is my low tension length retention hairstyle that I'm doing for the week. So I'm refreshing my twist to put it right back up into a bun and wear it like that for the rest of the week, you know? Yeah, so right now I'm just doing a little bit of maintenance. And yeah, coconut oil, it has really good ingredients. And this is the one oil that I know will penetrate your hair strands. I actually have I think I have some dimethicone in my hair because I put avocado oil in my hair. Avocado also penetrates your hair, but I don't know which one penetrates it the most. I put avocado oil in my hair a few days ago, but now I'm using coconut oil because coconut oil also penetrates your hair. So, but I'm not sure if it can get through your hair if you have dimethicone, like any silicones on your hair, because I did put a little bit of silicone, but not that much. I put like a small drop in my hand, and then I rubbed it all over my head. So I'm not sure. But yeah, I just put it on just in case. Whatever it did, I just know it made it easier to get through my hair without a brush. And I really saturated my whole head with that. If it's a pre-poo, then it's a pre-poo. It's also conditioning my hair right now. But yeah, I put the coconut oil in my hair, hoping that it will saturate my strands and condition it at the same time. So, it just, yeah. So if some of you guys don't know, like I'm trying to wear my hair straightened. Usually I do not straighten my hair like before, like at least last year, January. I did not straighten my hair, so I wouldn't even blow dry my hair. I never used to blow dry or flat iron my hair or nothing. But now I am wearing my hair straightened because when I straightened it a month ago, I realized, well, I always knew that I had single strand knots, and I feel like single strand knots come when your hair is in its natural state. There's no reason for you to get single strand knots if it's straightened, like while your hair not on itself. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm on another type of healthy hair journey from what I was on the whole time. I feel like my earlier natural hair journey was to grow my hair and just gain some length from doing a crazy big chop in 2020. So yeah, I recently trimmed my hair, a lot of my hair actually. My hair is shorter than normal, but it still has length, as you can see. So I trimmed my hair, and now I'm trying to wear it straightened all the time. And now we're moving into the summer months, like the warmer months. I have never straightened my hair for the summer months, so that's another thing. I'm blow drying my hair without using flat iron because I want to see how well your hair could stay straightened while it's warm. And yeah, so I'm thinking like if this works well, then I could wear my hair like this in this style in the summertime too. Just blow it out and put it into a bunch of mini twists and keep my hair into a bun so it's always stretched. You know, it has no time to revert even through humidity. So I finished it up. This actually took me like 1 hour, even though this video is 6 minutes 35 seconds long. This literally took me an hour. I took my time. I detangled with my fingers. I love finger detangling. Barely any hair came down when I was doing my hair. The hairs that came down, they were full length of hair, so that means it was just shedded hair, you know. So yes, I didn't really put coconut oil on my scalp though, just in case, because I feel like I have, well, previously I had issues with my scalp, like with scalp inflammation. I had scalp dermatitis, what is it called? Seborrheic dermatitis. And it recently got treated like a year ago. And I probably have some left over. I don't even know, because sometimes my scalp be itchy for no reason, but it's not as bad. So I try not to put too much things on my scalp. But slowly, recently, I have been doing that. Like I put the Mielle on my scalp and then the coconut oil on the rest of my hair. But like as for creams and stuff, yeah, I don't do that. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on next bit. Bye.